welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to create multiple folders in a minute. Suppose your boss given you a task of creating folder of all clients one by one from this Excel sheet. Creating one by one folders of client name is too difficult and time consuming. So this shortcut will help you making folder in a minute. Click the next row and write the formula equals MD. And enter the cell of client name. Click enter. Now drag down so the formula will apply on each cells. Now copy the text from the column you apply the formula and open Notebook and paste the copied value. Now save as the Notebook document where you want to make folders. Enter the file name and add .bat with the file name. Now open the folder where you saved the notebook file. Double-click the file and you see the folders made in your selected folder. And you successfully make 100 of folders in a minute. Thank you for watching our video. Kindly subscribe our channel.